Now, a really requested video on this channel is the Flywoo Firefly 25. This is the 25, but you'll notice with the purple props, these are the 2-inch props. Now, just to clarify that I'm not doing this in any way dishonorably, you can see the 2.5-inch props are on this drone and they will not turn because they're too big for it. That's a 2-inch version. This is the 2.5-inch frame, and lots of you have asked, can we just put the 2-inch props on this and basically get a 4S out of it without having to adjust the tune, mess around, and Ultimately, the answer is going to be yes, but the question is going to be how well is it going to fly on these 2-inch props? Now, just before we go to the first battery, just to set out a few test conditions. Number one, I only fly with a 4S. Okay, so I do 2 flights. They're both on 4Ss and they're both the same size packs to give us a good feel once we've got used to it. We didn't change any of the tune or any rates or anything like that. We kept it exactly how it was when we did the review. So everything is just the same and just as responsive. There isn't really any need to change the tune. When you sort of go to smaller props like this, there isn't really any need to change the tune. And generally speaking, if you increase them slightly as well, I don't necessarily always, unless I'm really suffering with prop wash. But this shouldn't do because we've gone down a size. So we'll have to wait and see. So, first of all, join Boy Wonder FPV and I out of the field for the first flight.
Small drone.
Okay, so this is the Speedy Bee 2.5-inch frame using 2-inch props. And we're going to answer the question, is it worth it? And I'm not sure.
On the back of the field,
yeah, I can see them. I'm not sure if it's worth it, if I'm honest with you. It seems a bit underpowered.
Is it underpowered?
Yeah, it feels it. There's no prop wash. I have changed the rate, so I've made the max rate a little bit slower, but I've increased the sensitivity in the center of the stick. So it shouldn't be related to that. It just feels very sluggish. I don't think it works. Which is a shame, because it would have been great to have just one instead of 2, and then
shouting.
Us.
Police, coming, just running back.
Yeah.
Go. I mean, we are legal, obviously.
Well, of course we're legal. They're not stopping, are they?
No. A bird was trying to attack you, then it flew away, scared, and you went full throttle then. Good?
Yep.
Yeah.
I mean, for me, the performance just isn't there.
Yeah. It would be good for cinematic. Well, all the props in you.
No. But it's only 2-inch props, so if you want to do cinematic, you put the 2.5-inch props back on it.
Yeah.
I'm going to come back at 3.6 volts after just 2.5 minutes as well. Okay. That was the first flight, and in all honesty, it wasn't a terrible flight, but also it just felt very... do you know what I mean? Like, it just didn't feel like it was offering any extra. However, what I then decided to do was go back out again, exactly same configuration, same rates, same pitch tune, same size 4S battery, and just throw all caution to the wind and just absolutely push it as hard as I possibly could, and just to see if we can eke out any extra performance from it or not. So let's run that second flight now. So flight number 2 of the Firefly 2.5-inch on 2-inch props using a 4S battery, and we're just gonna, it just hasn't, the performance just isn't there for me. Got a couple of people over there, so we're just gonna, like, it's good, it is good, there's no question about it, but I think sort of the extra length and size and weight of the body, it just doesn't feel as alive as it does when I did it with a standard frame that's 2-inch on these props. It just doesn't quite feel like it's there for me, which is an actual shame, because I thought after the success we had yesterday, Boy Wonder, with the Mario Mini and changing the props on that from 4 to 3.5, I thought we'd have a really good time with this, but it just, the performance just isn't there.
Is it the Mario Mini though?
No, this most certainly isn't a Mario Mini, and for me the performance just isn't there. It's, oh, a bit of prop wash there. It's not terrible. It's not terrible, it isn't.
It's not
And
terrible, but
if you're a newbie,
so technically you're saying good but not good at the same time.
yeah, if you're a newbie, you're not going to find it overpowered. So it may be, actually I'm getting quite a lot of prop wash now.
Maybe it's because your battery's dead.
It's new battery, isn't it?
No, like battery voltage.
It's, like I say, I think if you're a newbie and you don't want something that's too powerful, then realistically you just run it on the 2.5-inch, I think, at 3S, because I think the 2.5-inch at 3S gives around about the same performance. It just doesn't feel like it's got any extra at all. It's not terrible, it really isn't terrible.
Prop wash is crazy.
It is crazy. But it
Really,
just,
really
for me, it just isn't there.
Yeah. Battery? Isn't like, what is it on?
3.61. It's not terrible, it isn't, and you can push it and you can eke out that performance, I think, but
The battery's really good, because you've been ripping it like crazy and it's not dead yet. Usually we've all
not far off.
Dead.
Well, it is dropping to like 3.3.
It is shouting at you as well.
It's we'll discuss it back in the studio, but ultimately I think it doesn't offer any bonus over 2.5-inch at 3S is, I think, what I'm going to tell you back in the studio. But join me back in the studio in case I've figured something else out, and I'm going to tell you something different.
Probably not, I don't know.
Well, I don't even know what I'm going to say in the studio. People think I script my videos. I ain't got a clue. I literally press record and then
like,
speak. Yeah, just literally speak. Right, 3.4 volts.
That's where you go like...
Right, 3.47 volts after 3 minutes and 53 seconds. Right, okay, so it draws an interesting conclusion in my opinion. And that interesting conclusion is, does it offer any more performance benefit over running this on 2.5-inch props at 3S? And I've got to be honest, I don't think it does. So towards the end of the rip, I was able to sort of get a little bit closer to the tree. I was able to sort of do what I'd normally do on a 2.5-inch, 4S or whatever. But you absolutely felt the difference in the frame. Now, it's only, don't get me wrong, it's only a little bit. And the one thing I did say in the video as well is, if you are a relatively new pilot who wants a relative easy performing drone that will kick when you really ask it to, but isn't too powerful that you sort of step back and you're like, whoa, this is a bit crazy, I think it might be a good idea actually. But I think for anybody who is more experienced, who has flown more, and is used to the extra power that you get with a 4S 2.5-inch or or the slightly lighter frame of the 2-inch and the slightly smaller sort of geometry, I just think you're going to be a little bit underwhelmed. So I think, generally speaking, if you are really, really new to the hobby and you're wondering, can I get the 2.5-inch, fly it on the 2.5-inch props, but then also switch to the 2-inch props and fly it on a 4S so that I don't have to get both of the drones, and then I don't have to mess around with changing the pitch tune if I get the smaller drone and run it on a 4S. You can have a little bit more range if you put the 2.5-inch props on. I don't necessarily think it's a bad idea, but I think if you're a more experienced pilot, I just think it's going to leave you feeling a little bit wanting, if I'm completely honest. Now, it's not bad. It isn't. It just run it on 3S 2.5-inch if you're a bit more experienced, because the power band is very, very similar. So for the added complexity of getting different size batteries, it's just not there for me. It just isn't, I'm afraid. Now, maybe with an 04 Lite, it might be, but we run it with an 04 Pro because that's what most people want to see, and that's what most people sort of want to run in these style of quads, from what I'm being told anyway. But it is what it is, and it's not terrible, but it's just a bit lacking, in my opinion, if you're a bit more experienced. But we've done it. You asked us to do it, and we went out there and we did it. Let us know what you think of it down below in the comments. Do you think it was a worthwhile question? Has it answered the questions that you've had? Has it made you think, actually, I could probably do this and do it this way or do it the other way? Let us know in the comments down below. We always love to chat to you. And the more comments we get, the more the channel gets pushed. So it really will help us bring these comparisons to you as much as we possibly can. Like the video, hype the video, share the video. There's going to be a link in the description down below if you want to pick up a Flywoo Firefly or one of the Violence fans or anything else. Click on it. It won't cost you any extra, but it will help the channel. And the more that we can help the channel, the more we can do the random comparisons like we have been doing. Well, what we'll probably do as well is we're waiting for the Mario Mini Pro 25. And what we'll do is we'll run this on 4S. Run this on 4S with the 2.5-inch props, and we'll compare them back to back as well and see what they're like. So make sure you subscribe, because there's more crazy things coming. We've got loads of builds. We've got loads of extra amazing things coming. It's just going to take us a little bit of time. As I alluded to in yesterday's video, I've got a child who's quite unwell at the minute, so we're just sort of doing these quick win videos, so to speak, just to make sure that we can still bring you the content and still stay really engaged with you. Any questions whatsoever, leave them in the comments down below. Until next time, you've all been absolutely amazing. Peace. YouTube and I have had a chat, and we believe that this is the video that you'll like the most. So watch it and let me know if they're right.